In this last part of our comic lessons, we're going to add some colour to our finished piece. I've picked out a few colours here that I'm going to use, and I've got a pencil sharpener at the ready. First, I'm lightly shading all of the big blocks of colour, like the sky and the grass. You can layer up the colour with pencils, so I'm just doing a light background to begin with. This way I can also mix colours together more easily. Remember, it's always easier to add more colour. It's much harder to take things away once you've done them. I'm using yellow pencil to draw a lot of lines around her magic wand to make it look like it's glowing. Once I've shaded the big blocks of colour, I'm going to add shadows. This adds a lot more depth to my artwork. Try and use some of the different techniques we learned in the warm-up activity. In order to add texture to the leaves, I'm going to do some scumbling on the bushes I've drawn. I'm layering up greens and browns to draw the path that she's walking on. I want her magical transformation scene to be really colourful, so as well as a blue background, I'm adding some yellow bubbles and a nice purple glow around her as she transforms. In this panel, I'm also using one of our earlier techniques to draw some lines in the background. I'm drawing them all around Bubble Girl to make it look like she's jumping out of the page towards you. And that's it. Here's our finished comic. Look at all the amazing work you've done and how it's all come together. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thank you for following along with me. Please share your finished pieces so we can see what you've made.